Jake Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metro Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a strategically located, brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Quezon City. This property is just 10 minutes away from Quezon City Circle and major thoroughfares here in the city. Now join us as we begin this tour. As of the making of this video, we have 3 units available out of the 4 units in this development. And in terms of the size, the floor areas range from 259 to 263 square meters across 3 levels. Now let's begin. So you immediately have a carport area for 2 vehicles. You have an automated gate. And you can see, based on the length of the carport area, you can easily fit 2 vehicles here. And this is also an elevated area as well. Here we have your main door with a digital door lock. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. We're here at the hallway of the ground level, and to give you a background, this property is fully furnished. And as we head on down here, let's begin by taking a look at the first bedroom in the house. On top of being fully furnished, it's also already interior designed. So this is currently set up as a den room. So you can imagine gathering here with your family or friends, or making this a nice home office or study area. Already with storage. And here's an additional aspect of this room. You have a sliding door here, leading out to an additional patio space. This has been maximized to be a nice lounge area with artificial grass here. And you also have natural ventilation as well. You also have sturdy aluminum windows right here. Very well built and installed. And you can also keep it open while having the screen right here to keep the insects out, but you have all that ventilation. Let's head on in. This first room can be a bedroom because it has its own ensuite bathroom. So I'm gonna step in so you can appreciate the dimensions of the space. You have a tempered glass enclosure here. And in terms of the workmanship, I love how smooth this door slides. And you have Bravat branded fixtures in terms of the toilet and the sink. And also to explore the ground level, you have a powder room right here for guests. And it's very uniquely decorated, with the mirrors giving you a feeling of a greater size. And if you're wondering what this door is upon entry from the main door, this is your staff room. So you have ventilation already and a view of the parking area from here. And it has its own bathroom. Let's head on up. The stairs are easy to climb, made of natural wood. I like the rounded edges, especially if you have kids running around here. Very sturdily installed and constructed railings. And the staircase winds all the way to the 3rd level. And this construction allows you to have ventilation flow through the 3 levels. And now let's go through here towards your main amenity spaces. And here we have your open living, dining, and kitchen space. This is just gorgeous design. Let's begin with the living area. You have cove lighting here, nice ceiling height, and a beautiful feature wall right here for your television set as well. And in terms of lighting, you have this sliding door right here, which leads out to a balcony. This is a nice addition for your enjoyment and for your guests as well from your living space. So for this property, you have the option of purchasing this fully furnished unit or an unfurnished unit. And now from your living space, we have your dining area. Which can very comfortably sit 6 people. And from here, you now have your modern showcase kitchen. I love the aesthetic in terms of the combination of the wooden design for the cabinets and the splash tile right here and the gray design of the countertop. The island countertop is also maximized with storage and is a great meal prep space. You already have stools right here, so this can be a nice informal dining area as well. And you can imagine having your meals prepared here while having a great view of your guests and family from your dining towards your living area. So this is a nice central hub for the home. And you already have appliances included for this kitchen. From your refrigerator, Latterman range hood, cooktop, and oven. And this door leads to a very practical addition to this home. You have your laundry space. So you have a heavy wash sink right here, and then your washing machine. And this is a nice aspect. You also have a light well, giving you natural light and ventilation. So that's very important because you don't want to be washing your clothes in a very enclosed space. It is now time to take a look at your second bedroom. Now this has been properly set up as a bedroom with space enough for nightstands on both sides. Plenty of storage as well. And very cohesive interior design from the furniture to the cabinetry to even the designs on the walls. And of course, it has its own ensuite bathroom as well. Once again, with quality fixtures. And now it's time to explore the third level of the home. Let's go. I'd also like to point out that the stairs are easy to climb with 2 landings as you go from one level to the next. And to maximize the aesthetic, to make it more bright here at the third level, you have a modern industrial light fixture right here. And here we have your third bedroom. nice. This has a different design setup for two people, ideally for siblings. And you once again have built-in storage already. And a more masculine design theme for this room. But of course, it has its own ensuite bathroom once again. Let me walk in. And on this side, we now have your primary or master bedroom. Well, this is a larger space. And let's begin by taking a look at the bedroom itself. Quite spacious with cove lighting, plenty of space left over for a lounge area. On this side, you have natural light coming once again from your sliding door here. And let's take a quick look once again at the balcony space. This balcony gives you a nice view of the surrounding community, which is quite peaceful and residential. Okay, here's another view so you can appreciate this vantage point of your bedroom. And now it's time to explore your master walk-in closet and bathroom. Very well constructed cabinetry right here with exposed shelves for fast access to your clothes. And then on this side, you have your toilet area and a tempered glass door right here for your shower area and a dual vanity sink space with very elegant lighting. In addition, this property already has air conditioning units, CCTV cameras, and water heaters. So it's just ready for you to move in. And that caps off this quick 4-bedroom townhome house tour here in Quezon City. Once again, you have the option of purchasing a fully furnished unit or an unfurnished unit. But either way, the layout is so well designed and you have such a strategic location for this property. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.